Sushmita Sengupta, updated, June 22, 2018 17:24 IST. Nobody likes to put on their favorite dresses and see their belly sticking out. We have all been there, tried to hold our breaths in, but we all know too well that it is no sustainable strategy to beat bloating. Besides, it can also toll on your health and make you dizzy. Bloating is a condition characterized by inflated tummy, especially after a meal. It could be caused due to a variety of reasons. For instance, excess gas formation in the stomach, poor eating habits, change in diet, stress or smoking. In some cases, conditions like menstruation, gastrointestinal infection or irritable bowel syndrome could also be the reason behind your bloated tummy. But, the good news is that bloating is only temporary and subsides in a matter of time. There are many ways you can manage bloating, that too with very easy and inexpensive remedies. Drinking ginger juice is said to be one of the oldest remedies to help beat the bloat. Ginger is a perennial herb native to China and India, known as Zingiber officinal. Often referred to as a root, ginger is actually a stem, which grows underground. Ayurveda's favorite ginger is profuse with medicinal properties that could help cure a variety of inflammatory conditions like cold, cough and flu. According to the book Healing Foods by DK Publishing, its active constituent gingerol has analgesic, sedative, antipyretic and antibacterial effects. Another component zingerone is an antioxidant, which works as a charm for ginger. But, what is it that makes it so effective for bloating? Let's find out. Also read, 6 ginger powder benefits, from treating morning sickness to boosting your metabolism. Ginger is profuse with medicinal properties that could help cure a variety of inflammatory conditions according macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora. Ginger stimulates digestive juices like bile, saliva and various other compounds that aid digestion. Thus it's great for better absorption and assimilation of nutrients. Indigestion is one of the root causes of bloating. Undigested food produces toxins that lead to serious health problems. A teaspoon of ginger juice in the morning helps bloating and heals digestive tract, plus manages high blood sugar levels. A teaspoon of ginger juice in the morning helps bloating and heals digestive tract. How to make ginger juice. Take a ginger. Take a peeler or spoon and peel of the skins of the ginger. Cut the ginger into pieces and grate them using a grater. Collect the grated ginger in the center of a cheesecloth and hold it together from above. Place a bowl beneath the cloth. Squeeze and twist the cheesecloth to get the ginger juice out. Collect the ginger juice. Squeeze or twist it harder to extract more juice. Your ginger juice is ready. You can have it alone or mix it with some salt/rock salt to enhance its flavor and nutritive content. Once all the juice is extracted, open the cheesecloth to remove the dried grated ginger. You can use the dried grated ginger for other cooking purposes. If you are facing problem grating the ginger, you can put it in blender and grind them too. Once done, open the juicer, collect the ginger in the cheesecloth, and squeeze and twist to collect juice as mentioned before. Also, read benefits of ginger and its powerful healing properties. Ginger juice is effective against toothache, reducing joint inflammations and pain. Besides bloating, ginger juice is also effective against toothache, reducing joint inflammations and pain and soothe cold and flu.